In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency to someone on Binance. This guide will provide detailed steps to ensure a smooth transaction process. First, navigate to the Binance website or open the Binance mobile application. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, locate and tap on Wallet from the main menu. This will take you to your wallet overview where you can see your balances and transaction history. Next, find and select the withdraw option within your wallet. This action will prompt you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Instead of selecting an external address for the transfer, opt for the option to send via Binance ID. This method simplifies the process and reduces the risk of errors. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will need to enter the recipient's Binance UID. It is crucial to input this information carefully to ensure that the funds are sent to the correct person. Once you have entered the UID, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Take a moment to review the details displayed on the confirmation screen to ensure accuracy before proceeding. The next step involves confirming the transfer. You will need to complete a security verification process, which may involve two-factor authentication or an email verification code. Once you have successfully completed the verification, confirm the transaction. Internal transfers on Binance typically process instantly, allowing the recipient to access the funds without delay. After completing these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction was successful. If you encounter any issues, verify the recipient's UID and ensure that your account has sufficient balance to complete the transfer. Additionally, it is helpful to check your internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process.